This tutorial will show you how to use our new screen protector applicator system, designed to make installation faster, easier, and more precise. Make sure to watch the video fully before starting, as your screen protector can only be applied once. Inside the box, you will find everything you need: the applicator tray, your screen protector, and a full cleaning kit. Depending on which type of screen protector you've purchased will determine on how many screen protectors you get in the box. Step 1. Prepare your phone. Start by thoroughly cleaning your phone screen. Use the alcohol wipe to remove grease, then the microfiber cloth to dry it, and finally the dust sticker to lift away any remaining particles. A clean screen is the key to a perfect result. Step 2. Place your phone in the tray. Next, place your phone face up into the applicator tray. It should sit snugly without moving around. Step 3. Align the screen protector. Take the screen protector and align it using the built-in guide pins. Make sure it slots neatly into place, with the pull tab positioned at the bottom. Step 4. Apply the screen protector. Close the lid of the applicator. While pressing lightly on the glass through the channel, pull the tab down and out. This releases the adhesive layer of the screen protector onto the phone. Then run your finger firmly down the center channel of the lid. This removes trapped air and bonds the protector in place. Step 5. Final touches. Open the lid and carefully peel away the alignment film from the front of the protector. Remove your phone from the tray and check the surface. If you notice any small bubbles, use the bubble card to smooth them out. You want to press quite firmly with the bubble card and usher any bubbles slowly towards the edge of the screen. Slow and steady approach definitely wins the race here. And that's it. Your screen protector is all set and good to go. Pair with a mouse case for extreme protection for your device. Thanks for tuning into our tutorial. For more tips and product stunts, subscribe to our YouTube channel.